This is John Erickson. Believe it or not, I once had a job where I was actually paid to be on vacation. I worked at an ecotourism resort in the middle of nowhere, Bahamas. We were so far away, we were actually on the verge of Cuban airspace. My job? I was an adventure guide. I took people kayaking, sailing, snorkeling, scuba diving, and hiking. It was the true definition of wanting to get away. Welcome to the Jenny 500. In row number 4, coming in hot, is spicy chicken wings. In row number 3, the big cheese pizza. Welcome to the Jenny 500. In row number 4, coming in hot, is spicy chicken wings. In row number 3, the big cheese pizza.